Hello students, this is the fourth part of concept of compound angles in trigonometry. In 1 and 2 part I explained these formulae. In third part I derived the formulae for tan function and cot function. Tan of a plus or minus b remembered as tan a plus or minus tan b by 1 minus r plus tan a into tan b. Okay. Another formula, that is cot of a plus or minus b remembered as cot a cot b minus r plus 1 by cot b plus r minus cot a. So these two are I derived. After that we found the value of tan 15 degree, that is 2 minus root 3, cot 15 degree, that is 2 plus root 3, or tan 15 nothing but cot 75 degree, or cot 15 degree is nothing but tan 75 degree. So these are few standard angles. Okay. Friends, very important model question. Example only, but important model. Friends, listen, Nana. First of all, I wanted given data. Cos A given by 5 by 13, tan B given by minus 15 by 8, and A and B are angles in the fourth and second quadrants respectively. Then find the value of sin of A plus B and cos of A plus B, and also determine the quadrant in which the angle A plus B relates. Interesting question, students. Cos A is equal to 5 by 13 and A belongs to fourth quadrant Q4. Okay. Yeah, now what I will write, Nana, observe students. Yeah, I will separate it. And tan B equal to, tan B equal to minus 15 by 8 and B belongs to Q2. Interesting thing, na? Okay, if A is Q4, students listen, all trigonometrical ratios are negative except cos and sec. Okay, what the meaning of that? Sin A value I can find, that is minus of something only will get, because sin is negative in fourth quadrant. Okay, tan B given, Q2 tan B negative, sin A positive, secant A sin B positive, cosecant B positive, remaining all trigonometrical ratios are negatives. Okay. Yeah. So for that, what should do? We need to find remaining trigonometrical ratios for the angle A. For that, what I am assuming A is acute and I want to complete the structure, Nana. This is phi, cos means adjacent side, and again I wrote wrong here, phi 13 automatically 12. All trigonometrical ratios I can write. I want only cos sin, Nana, here. Sin A equal to actually 12 by 13, but quadrant is 4, should write minus. That is interesting thing. Okay, here also I want complete, I want find trigonometrical ratios for angle B. I am assuming that B is acute. Yeah, this is 15, this is 8, 225 and 64, 9, 289, this is 17. Okay, so I want sin B, students, here. Sin B, second quadrant positive, plus 15 by 17. Cos B also I want, cos second quadrant negative, minus 8 by 17. Okay, next what I want? Sin of A plus B, I will write in next page. Sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A value, where is that? Sin A minus 12 by 13 minus 12 by 13 into cos B, where is that? Cos B minus 8 by 17 plus cos A into sin B. Cos A, where is that? Cos A 5 by 13 into, where is that? Sin B. Sin B means 15 by 17. Okay, students. Yeah, the LCM is 13 into 17. Minus minus plus 8 2s are 16, 96. Plus 5 5s are 25, 2, yeah, 75. So that is equal to 171 by 13 17s are 7 3s are 21, 7s are 7 8 9 and 13 1 2 221. So this is the value of sin of A plus B. I will write sin of A plus B equal to 171 by 221. Students, sin of A plus B positive, no, here. So what is the meaning of that? A plus may be in Q1 or Q2, not at decided, maybe Q1 or Q2. So this is, I can say, result number 1. What you want next? Cos of A plus B. I will find next page. Cos of A plus B. What is the formula for this? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Should write cos A 5 by 13. Cos B minus 8 by 17. Sin A minus 12 by 13 into sin B 15 by 17. Yeah, here also the LCM is same, 13 into 17, so minus 40 minus to minus plus 15 12 are 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 3, 15 180. So that is equal to 140 by 221. This is the value of cos of A plus B. So what one saying that I will write here, 1 implies A plus B belongs to Q1 or Q4, Q2, because sin of A plus B positive. Student, sin theta is positive means what is the meaning of that, Nana? Theta may be in first quadrant or second quadrant only. Sin is positive first or second quadrant. Okay. Now result second saying that A plus B belongs to here cos positive in Q1 or Q4. What are the common for both, Nana? Sorry, Q1 or Q4. Okay. What are the common? Q1 is common. So what I can say, A plus B lies in Q1. Okay. Therefore, A plus B belongs to Q1. So interesting question, students. Once again, Nana. Here cos A given, and given that A is in Q4, tan B given that B is in Q2, then you want to find sin of A plus B value and cos of A plus B value, and after that you need to find A plus B lies in which quadrant. So cos A is equal to 5 by 13. To find remaining trigonometric ratios, what is the assumption? Yeah, I assume that A is acute, and by using a small right triangle, I found the remaining sides. By using these sides, you can find all trigonometric ratios. Sin A is minus 12 by 13. Cos A equal to 5 by 13, tan A you want, that is minus 12 by 5, everything you can write, all trigonometrical ratios. Q4, except cos and secant remaining all R gives negatives. Okay, tan B given, minus 15 by 8, and beta is given, b is given as q2. All trigonometrical ratios with the angle b is negative except sine and cosec. By using small right triangle, I assume that beta is acute. I found all the three sides of a right triangle. By using these three sides of right triangle, I can find all trigonometrical ratios with their actual signs. After that, I found sin of a plus b value, cos of a plus b value. A plus b positive means q1 and q2. Cos of a plus b positive means q1 or q4. Common is q1. Then I can say that a plus b lies in q1. Okay, important model. Yeah. So it's next question. Suppose a plus b equal 135 and neither a and b are integral multiple of 180, then prove that 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b equal to 2, and hence find the value and show that cot 67.5 degree equal to root 2 minus 1. This is also another important result. How to remember? I will write, students. If a plus b equal 135, then we should remember that 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b as 2. Okay, proof easy only, students. A plus b is equal 135. Cot of a plus b also cot 135 only. Cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a equal to cot of 90 plus 45. Cot 90 plus theta second quadrant, second cot minus 1 into 90 odd number tan 45. That is equal to minus 1. I will write it next page. Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a equal to minus 1, or cot a into cot b minus 1 equal to minus cot b minus cot a. Okay, students, do one thing. Cot a into cot b plus cot b plus cot a obviously equal to 1. Okay. From first term and second term, I want to take cot b common. After that, what will get? Nana? Cot a plus 1 plus cot a equal to 1. Okay, if I have here plus 1, then I can take again cot a plus 1 common. That's why what I did, added 1 on either side. Now I want to take cot a plus 1 as common. Here cot b left plus 1 equal to 2. This is only the required result. Therefore, 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b equal to 2. Similarly, 1 plus, okay, later I will explain, leave it. What you want, that you got here. From this, you want to find a value of cot 67.5 degree, students. Yeah. Put a equal to, a equal to b equal to 67.5 degree in the equation 1. So 1 plus cot 67.5 degree into 1 plus cot 67.5 degree equal to 2. Just like a into a equal to 2, a square equal to 2, I can say. Cot 67.5 degree whole square equal to 2. Or another words, I can say that 1 plus cot 67.5 degree equal to root 2. Or cot 67.5 degree equal to root 2 minus 1. This one only you want. See the question, students. 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B should be put as 2. After that, instead of A and B, I wrote the angle 67.5 degree. Then the value of cos 67.5 degree will get as root 2 minus 1. Another important question, students. 0 lesser than A less than B less than pi by 4 and sin of A plus B equal to 24 by 25 and cos of A minus B equal to some 4 by 5 given. We want find tan 2A value. Interesting problem, important model, very important. First of all, you want find A plus B lies in which quadrant? Students, here sin of A plus B positive means what the meaning of that? A plus B in either Q1 or Q2. That is one thing. Here A minus B, cos of A minus B positive means A minus B either lies in Q1 or Q4. Okay, that is the first thing that I will write. Nana. Important model, very important question. Sin of A plus B equal to 24 by 25 means plus implies A plus B belongs to Q1 or Q2. One thing. But what is given here? 0 lesser than A less than beta less than pi by 4. Means A and B values are lies between 0 to pi by 4 only, and B should be greater than A. So their addition always should be, their summation should be greater than 0 and less than 90 only. What is the meaning of that? A plus B is acute. Means that what I can say, therefore A plus B lies in first quadrant. Okay, this is first thing now. Actually, by using sin of A plus B as 24 by 25, I can say that A plus B will be in Q1 or Q2. Okay. After that, 0 less than A less than B less than pi by 4 means AB are acute angles which are lies from 0 to pi by 4. The addition is 0 to 90 only. That's why A plus B is acute, means A plus B in Q1. This is first thing. Next, cos of A minus B equal to 4 by 5 implies A minus B belongs to Q1 or Q4. Okay. When it becomes Q1, if A minus B is from 0 to 90, I can say Q1. But here A minus is always negative, no? What is given here? So, but given 0 less than, A less than, beta less than pi by 4 or 45 degree, whatever it may be. B greater than A nana here. So, A minus B negative, no? A minus B is negative, less than 0. Means obviously what I can say, you take any value of angle A and B, your angle acute only with negative symbol. Negative symbol that is in fourth quadrant, obviously. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 like that. So, what I can say, A minus B lies in Q4. That I will write in next page. Therefore, A minus B belongs to Q4. Okay. Again I want to write sin of A plus B value equal to 24 by 25 comma A plus B belongs to Q1. That is first thing. Next, what I got, I will write here. Okay, cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B equal to, what is the value? 4 by 5. And A minus B belongs to Q4. So, by use some small right triangle, assume that A plus B is acute. Actually, A plus B is acute only. Okay, this is 24, this is 25, 625, and what is that? 24, 24, the 576. Subtracted, here 4, 9, here 1, 49 means this is 7. Here also I want to use a small right triangle, and I assume that a minus b is acute. Now I can say that this is 4, this is 5, obviously this is 3. From this I want to find tan value. I want tan value. Why I want to find tan value, later I will tell. Tan of a plus b value I want, that is in Q1, no problem, positive 24/7. Tan of a minus b I want. Tan of a minus b is a Q4 tan negative minus 3/4. Okay. Yeah, what you want I will write. This is interesting step for the problem. Tan of 2a I want to write 2a in terms of a plus b and a minus b logically. Observe students, tan of a plus b plus a minus b I can write. bb get cancelled, get 2a only, no? Now I am just like, I want to feel that this is alpha and this is beta. Tan of alpha plus beta, what is that? Tan alpha, alpha means a plus b, no? Tan alpha plus tan beta tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Just substitutions only. Next page I will write tan 2a equal to tan of a plus b 24/7 24/7 plus tan of a minus b minus 3/4 by 1 minus a into b. Okay, so that is 24/7 minus 3/4 by 1 plus, okay, so 3 4s are 12, 3 to 6 72 by 28. Okay, 28 LCM 16, 96 minus 21 by 28 by 28 plus 72 by 28. 28 get cancelled. So 96 minus 21 5, 75 by 0 100, 3/4. So finally what I got? Tan 2a value equal to 3/4. Very, very, very important model. Once again, sin of a plus b given, cos of a minus b given, we want tan 2a. What is our plan? 2a is nothing but a plus b plus a minus b only. After cancelling bb, then 2a only will get. Tan of 2a means what? Tan of a plus b plus a minus b you want. Means you want value of this expression. Means tan of a plus b value you want and tan of a minus b not given, no? Only sin of a plus b given, cos of a minus b given. From that you want to find tan of a plus b. For that, first of all you want to find a plus b lies in which quadrant and a minus b also lies in which quadrant. Clearly explained. Final what I got now? 3/4. Another interesting question. A plus b and a are acute angles such that sin of a plus is 24/25 and tan a equal to 3/4, then find cos b. Okay students, listen. Sin of a plus b equal to 24/25. Already given that a plus b and a are acute means a plus b belongs to Q1. Okay, by using a small right triangle I can find remaining trigonometrical ratios. So this is a plus b, this is 24, this is 25, obviously this is 7. One thing, later I will write what are the remaining trigonometric ratios. Then next what is given? Tan a given. Tan a equal to 3/4 and A is acute means obviously A is in Q1 only. So using a small right triangle I can find remaining trigonometrical ratios. A, this is 3, this is 4, obviously this is 5. Okay, what you want I will write, Nana, here. I will write what you want. Yeah, cos B you want, sorry, cos B, but that too in terms of A plus B and A. So what I can say, cos of A plus B minus A I can write. Oh, after cancelling A, cos B only. This is just like cos of P minus Q, cos P minus Q, cos P cos Q plus sin P sin Q only. So cos A plus B into cos A plus sin of A plus B into sin A, that's all. Just substitutions only. Cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B means what, Nana? 7 by 25. I will write 7 by 25 into cos A, cos A, from this right triangle you want for cos A, 4 by 5 plus sin of A plus B, that is given 24 by 25 into sin A from this right triangle I can say 3 by 5. 25 into 5, that is 125 LCM, 28 plus 4 is 12, 72. 100 by 125. 25 4s are 25 are, I can say 4 by 5. So cos beta value is equal to 4 by 5.